Hey guys, Angus here. So, back with another video, and January we had the fires, February we had the floods, and now March, Corona time. I probably just got demonetized instantly from that. So, subscribe please, I need the money. This is just a documentation of everything I filmed on the fires and the floods or whatever. So, yeah, watch, enjoy, if you can. Over there is a fire not too far from my house. That's crazy. This whole place is burnt, whole area. They're really lucky that that lake over there was there, so it didn't spread to them. And look, there's just houses right here. That's lucky. The smell of smoke here is just so strong. But yeah, as I said before, everyone's kind of lucky, like really lucky. It's just 10 meters from houses. It's insane. That used to be filled up with water.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the takeoff. Yeah?
Yeah. Alright.
So that was the fires, and now we're gonna move on to what happened with all the floods. And I got this footage, and you know me, I don't waste footage, so enjoy it, because I'm not wasting it, and the video isn't long enough, and I need money. So yeah, here we go. This out right next to the house, and look at that, that's the bridge. That is the bridge. It's almost underwater. That is fucked. I don't know.
Just as it was before.
2 days ago, this was higher than that first rock. Now it's all the way back down, pretty much to normal. Still more water than before. We had to walk through the bush to get here because obviously it's flooded. Yeah, we're all scratched up. You know how it is. But saw a snake. Didn't die though, luckily. I don't know what kind. It was black. So yeah, I don't know.
It was flat.
So the water line went up to here near people's houses, and there's usually a rock platform there and there, but that's still underwater. Okay. I did not know they had pet geese. I'm very sorry about that. I had no idea. I was not. I totally knew that. Yeah. As you can see, it's still flooded up to the grass. Yeah. We should be fine in a few days, but I think we're going to go up that end.
To here.
It would be nice to be on the swings though and just swing over the water. I'd like to make a time lapse here. Wow. That's crazy. We can get over this. Ben got scared by this crab. It's in there.
Oh, it's gone back into that.
It's in the crack.
He just jumped out. It literally.
Well, where else is it gonna go? It's only got this rock. Hey, there's another one.
How many crabs are there?
Hey mate, how are ya? Just a couple of weeks ago, this was completely dry. No water at all. Now it's filled with water because it's been flooding after the fires now. So pretty much all back to normal. That bridge was completely, almost completely underwater. And yeah, parkour jump spot's back. Weather's good. Yay. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. As always, I'll be back soon. I wonder how I haven't broken any of my camera gear yet. This is what I'm doing to get the outro.